If you have an AS genotype, then this video is for you. Calm down and watch to the end. AS genotype is a genetic trait that affects the blood cells in your body. It is caused by a mutation in your hemoglobin gene, which is responsible for carrying oxygen in your blood. When you have AS genotype, it means that you have inherited one copy of the sickle cell gene and one copy of the normal hemoglobin gene. Now, why is that important? Well, if two people with AS genotype decide to get married and have children, there is a high chance that their children will inherit the sickle cell gene from both parents. Yes, and this can lead to a serious condition which we know as sickle cell anemia. Now, this chance is 25% and is very high. Out of 100, it means 25 chances are that you are going to have a sickle cell child. Sickle cell anemia is a disease that affects the red blood cell in the body of those who have it. Now, these cells become sticky and rigid, and it can block blood flow to different parts of the body, and this can cause severe pain, organ damage, and sadly even death. So it's important for people with AS genotypes to know that they should not marry just anybody. They should not marry someone else who has an AS genotype as well. That would be wahala. Instead, they should look for partners who have AA genotype. That is two copies of the normal hemoglobin gene. I know all of this might sound complicated, but it's really important to understand. If you or someone you know has an AS genotype, please talk to a healthcare professional or a genetic counselor to learn more about your options and how to prevent sickle cell anemia. I beg.